So you were walking out and he went right by you?
Yep.
It's a little tiny garden snake. There's only two places they can come in. One thing about snakes is they'll wrap itself up underneath something. There's nothing we can do. We have to lure them out. You know what we gotta do?
What?
Start throwing out here.
You missed.
I didn't miss. I hit him.
You didn't hit him.
I did.
Nice brother.
He's looking at me. That sucker. Look at him. There he is. There he is. He's dying to kill him with. There he is, right in the corner. See him? Right in where the flashlight is. I don't know what kind of snake it is. See him? Got him right in the corner, right there.
Oh, there he is. How's he doing?
He hid. He turned around and left. Yeah, you'll go in the basement, trust me. You will.